It is June 27th, 2023, and we have three incredible little-known stocks that will go through amazing rallies today. The first is ACIU. I bought ACIU stock at $2.20. The company just received a fast-track designation from the FDA. Let's live trade it.
ACIU is up. I see confirmation of a lot of buying taking place in ACIU. So I'm going to take more of my position here on retest of 223. Let's see what happens. There we go. Getting that pump up to 227. They get a full-on breakout on EOSE ACIU. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. See, look at that push on ACIU. Look how the candlestick moves all the way to 227 in a matter of seconds.
Could you believe this absolute insanity on my ACIU call out? The stock was at $2 when we were buying into the stock, $2.20, and the stock rallied to $3.83. We almost doubled our money on the ACIU trade. I call constant short squeezes on my trading channel. All you have to do to start getting my call outs is click the link in the description and apply for a pro membership. Guys, this is so real, but you'll never be able to experience it unless you take a chance on yourself. I can't wait to help you make money consistently. This is exactly what I envisioned for my life. I wanted to help traders who lost money in the stock market realize how to spot manipulation and learn what a short squeeze looks like before it happens so they can get in and make all the money they need to survive. Guys, if you want to trade with me, click the link below. I'm serious. Do it right now. You don't want to miss this, and I'll see you guys in the training group. ATUS is our next stock. We are looking to buy ATUS from $2.40 to $2.60. ATUS currently is expensive, right? But expensive also means that a stock is going up in value more than any other stock. We expect ATUS to rally to...
Let's see what's next. We got ATUS here. ATUS also rallying from 257, possibly going to hit our profit target at 263 today.
Guys, we assessed the buying pressure, the selling pressure, and we won our ATUS trade. We did come out with a win from $2.60 to $2.83. We're looking at 10% profits. Our trader right here made money. Our trader right here made money. Lots of money to go around. Again, you can join us by clicking the link below. Let's go to the next trade. I mean, are you seeing this? My traders are literally making money while they're waiting in the doctor waiting room because they have my call out. Sully and SD just made 9% on ATUS. Charlie made money while he was waiting for his doctor's appointment. Guys, what are you doing? What are you doing? Click the link below. Next is our stock EOSE. EOSE, June 27th. We're buying it from $3.80 to $4.10. This stock, although it had a direct offering, is now strong. We plan to sell EOSE at $4.59. Let's live trade it.
We're getting a lot of buying support on EOSE. We see the buyers coming in. This is very good. This is what we like to see.
Stock at bottom of range.
And I'm going to update the pro members right now. We almost hit profit target at EOSE. We're 1 cent from it. I just have to make sure my pro members are able to make money with me. So EOSE was our call out this morning. We just hit profit target at 417, so we just made that money.
You guys saw me buy EOSE stock at $4.10 and signal my Discord traders to buy EOSE with me. EOSE stock rallied to $4.69, which is more than 11% profits in a single day. Look at all these traders who are making money in my trading group right now. Why are you not in my trading group right now? Click the link in the description. It's 100% free to try out and start making money with me right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Coach Cota. We just live traded a number of different stocks, including ATUS, EOSE, and ACIU. We called a short squeeze on ACIU. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I consistently call short squeezes. And if you want to get access to my trades, you have to join the pro group. The trades in the pro group are too good for YouTube, so I do not publish them on YouTube. To join, click the link in the description and fill out the form. There's a form. Once you fill out that information with your name, telephone number, email, then I will give you access to my pro group 100% free. You get a free pro trial to start receiving my trades and making money with my team. I really look forward to helping you make that money, because this channel, again, is designed to help you stop losing the money in the stock market and start becoming profitable.
BA, Boeing. Boeing is performing really well today. Boeing profit target 3. So it's a good thing that we bought a lot of Boeing.
Good morning, all. It is Coach Cota here, about to give you some live entries and exits on my favorite stocks. Pro members get to trade with me. If you ever wondered what it was like to actually trade with me and be a part of my team, this video is going to show you exactly how to do that. Stock ticker ATUS is the first stock that I'm watching. I'm also watching EOSE. I believe these stocks can perform really well today. So EOSE, ATUS, I especially want you guys to keep an eye on ATUS and EOSE this morning. I have already signaled my Discord group in the pro call out section, meaning that if you want to be part of my trades, if you want to trade with me, if you want to learn how to trade from me, if you've gotten value from my videos, then I highly entreat you to reach out to me by clicking the link in the description so that you can day trade with me side by side and learn how to be a profitable day trader. Okay, we have to stop losing money. The whole reason I started my company is so traders could stop losing money, because you would be surprised how much money traders lose every single day in the stock market.